you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a Too Faced order that I placed. Do you want to see what I got? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this just arrived. I had placed an order last week from Too Faced and I just got it in today, so I wanted to show you guys. I am a hot mess today because our AC broke at our shop like 2 days ago, and today it was 93. It got the highest. 92 is when I took a picture and put it on my Instagram and showed you guys, but it got to 93, and we've just been sweating and just hot and bothered all day. So I came home. I quickly wanted to do this stuff really quick so I can go jump in and take a nice cold shower. Not hot, cold shower. That's what I'm waiting on. So let's go ahead and see what I did pick. So let's get this opened. You're so Too-Faced. Love you, boo. With all of these pink squigglies. And there we go. Okay, so they did come out with a new palette. This is my main reason. I didn't know it was gonna be this small. They came out with this new palette. It says it's supposed to smell like peaches and cream. It's the Too Faced Shake Your Pom-Poms. So there is the packaging right there. And let's go ahead and get this opened and see. Now, normally, don't they always give you that little pamphlet? Maybe in the smaller ones they don't, because I don't have that little pamphlet in here that shows you like the looks. But there's the back side, Shake Your Pom-Poms, and there is the front. I love their packaging. Shake Your Pom-Poms. And the inside there is a little mirror, and here are the colors. So you have like really light colors. There's one darker color. There's like a little green, a pink, and then like brown tones. So, and it's supposed to smell like peaches. It smells kind of like, I could have sworn it said it smells like peaches. I could be wrong because it smells like coconut to me. It smells like coconut. But I'll go ahead and swatch this if you guys are curious. Again, this is their new palette that they came out with, and this was $25. So let me go ahead and swatch it for you guys. Okay, so there are all 8 of the colors on the top of my hand. I feel like that would be easier to do because I have another palette to show you. So this is like, that's the green. It looks more of like a, I don't know, not really a green. But I mean, it's a green, but it looks more of like an olive brownish green. But that pink is really pretty. Try to get that glare off. So there is this entire palette right there. So, I mean, it's cute. I can see me doing like one look with this. So that's really cute. It's just, I thought it was gonna be a little bit bigger, but when you order online, you never know. So there is that little guy. And then next thing that I bought, because they did have a deal where their chocolate bar palette was on sale. It's normally $49 and they had it on sale for $35 or $39 that one day only. So I went ahead and bought one of them for me and one of them, ooh, I almost dropped the box, and one of them for one of you guys. So this will go in a future giveaway. I did buy this directly from Too Faced. This came in the order. So one will go for you guys and one will go for me. I don't have this. I do have quite a few Too Faced palettes, and I hear a lot of people say that the chocolate bar is their all-time favorite, and this is one that I don't have. I have the chocolate bonbon. I have the peach palette. I have the new Natural Lust palette. I have the one that opens up like a jewelry box. This supposed to be like diamonds or whatever. And I have the highlighter with that one. I have that palette. I have smaller like peanut butter and honey and a natural browns palette. I have other Too Faced palettes. Okay, you guys, so here is my entire collection. There is the Natural Lust, the Peanut Butter and Honey, Natural Matte, Shake Your Pom-Poms, the Razzle Dazzle, Sweet Peach, Chocolate Bonbon, the chocolate bar I just showed you. That is a highlighter, an eyeliner, a highlighter, and the Pretty Rich palette. So there is my entire Too Faced collection. But I don't have this one until now. Now I do. So this palette, you guys, see this, I see the little leaflet. So that's what I'm used to. And I like these because it gives you different ideas of like what to do, and it tells you how to do them. So I really love these. I save them from all of my Too Faced product palettes. So this is the packaging of the chocolate bar palette. And again, this is normally $49, and I bought this, it was either $35 or $39 each for each one. And inside you do have the mirror, and it says chocolate bar. And ooh, here are all of the colors. That is so pretty. You have browns, this looks like a green. You have lighter peach to pink to browns to look, this looks like a burgundy, a purple, another green. That looks like a nice variety. I was kind of afraid it was gonna be all browns because chocolate bar palette, I was thinking it's all gonna be all neutrals, and I'm like, well, I'm gonna try it anyways. But this actually looks like a nice variety. Looks like a really nice variety. So let me go ahead and swatch this for you guys. Okay, you guys, there is the entire palette. I think that is very pretty because this is something that is like neutral colors, but yet you still have like the burgundy, you have this like bluish, periwinkle grayish color, there's a light pink, there's some colors like for fall. You can use like, this is a really good, nice year-round palette that you can make. This has one of the lighter colors right there. You can't really see it because it's white chocolate. It's literally called white chocolate. Let me see if I can add a little more. You can kind of see it now. So there is the entire chocolate bar palette, you guys. So pretty, so pretty. Now I see why everyone says that this is a really nice palette, because it does look like it. And I'm glad that I got it on sale. And yeah, so there are the colors again. There are the swatches. And yeah, so again, I got this one for me. And then I got this one to put in a future giveaway. This one will be, well, it's trash now, but this will go into a future giveaway, so look out for that. Maybe I'll add it into my 5K when I finally get there, because I have my 4K going on right now. So if you haven't tuned into that, or you haven't entered into that one, and that one is still active for the rest of this month. And then getting this, I also got a small chocolate bar palette. And there are the colors, and this I'll put in a future giveaway as well. Just not the same one because this is the mini, you know. But that I will go ahead and set aside for a future giveaway as well. So that is really cool. So this is everything that I ordered from Too Faced. Again, I ordered 2 of these, one for me, one for you. I got the mini chocolate bar palette, and I got the Shake Your Pom-Poms. Shake Your Pom-Poms. Yes, and then they gave me 2 free samples, and the samples were only dark foundations. They had no light choices, so I got the lightest ones that they have, and I'll put these in future giveaways. I like to put in little samples and extra things in my giveaways as well, so it's not always just what you see in the videos. I always like to toss in a few extras as little surprise items, because I like to be surprised from time to time. So I'll put these probably in a future giveaway, and hopefully one of you guys can try them out and like them. I don't wear foundation, so you know. So there's that, and I cannot wait now. I'm probably gonna use this tomorrow. I can't wait to try this out, and yeah. So there you go. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and seeing my Too Faced haul. I am so glad that I got this, and this one smells like chocolate. Oh my goodness. I wanna eat my arm. This one still, it's not smelling like peach to me, but I could have sworn that's what it says, but you know. So that is everything that I have for you guys. Again, comment down below. Your positive interaction with me means the world. And if you're not already, I'd greatly appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button so you will see the future videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.